Hey guys, I'm back with another video. I told y'all guys I was gonna be back. I told you I was gonna be back. Yeah, guys, I told you I was gonna be back. Yeah, if y'all watching this video, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure I hit that like bell. Make sure y'all like this video as well. And make sure y'all, make sure y'all subscribe before y'all watch my video. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. But yeah, guys, one thing I want to talk to y'all about, man. One thing I want to talk to y'all about, man. Man, I want to talk to y'all about the prices out here going up and everything like that. Wages and stuff. Like, you know, people working regular 9 to 5 jobs out here. People that's trying to find, multiple jobs, multiple incomes. Yeah, man, it's really a struggle out here for most people that's trying to like make more income, that's trying to make, a living, that's trying to like, build future, build future and stuff like that. Like have a family, start a family and stuff like that. And it's like it's really hard out here because people are really like trying to like live and stuff like that, and like and people like they trying to find a way to like start a business, have a career to start, and they trying to put that money together and to start that. And it's really a struggle out here, man. It really is. Like you know like back in the day, they didn't have to worry about that because things was so low, things was easier, like things was easier back then, like how it is today. Like back then, people had it easy back then. Like back then was less expensive, less, like you could start a family, have a family and stuff like that. But now it's like it's a struggle, guys. It's really a struggle out here. Even I'm struggling. I'm struggling, guys. Like it's just not y'all. It's me as well, man. Me as a human being, just like y'all. Me as a human being, I'm struggling too, man. I really am as well. Like, and we human, man. We human, and people will laugh at you struggling and everything, but like they won't help you out. Like it's really crazy out here, guys. It really is. Like people will shame of you struggling and can't be able to find a job, Like most jobs don't hire people. They don't hire people at all. Like you really gotta like find jobs that's trying to, find jobs that's like that's gonna like benefit you and everything. That's gonna be the right job for you and get filled and stuff like that. And most people just trying to like, find a perfect job for them and stuff like that. That's trying to like live and everything like that. Trying to have multiple incomes and stuff like that. And you see, guys, it's like mm-mm-mm. It's hard out here, man. It really is, guys. It really is, man. But y'all gotta stay strong, man. Really stay strong, guys. Stay strong out here, man. Donald Trump, he ain't gonna help us out. He ain't gonna help us out with with our our wages and stuff like that, our pay, our income and stuff like that. He ain't gonna help us out lowering the prices and stuff like that. Like he ain't gonna help us out with that. So really gotta wait. We really gotta make ways for ourselves to like, have more income. Guys, really, bro. Everything is starting to build up, build up, build up, build up. Wages is increasing, y'all. Like wages is increasing, guys. Like it's increasing. Like it really is, guys. So yeah, it's crazy out here, man. It really is, man. Like it's really crazy out here, guys. But man, it's ridiculous. Like bills are waging, like bills going up. Fucking bills, electric, water bills, phone bills. You know, guys, like it's really going up, guys. Like today, guys, my phone bill was like around $92. $92, guys. $92, guys. I'm struggling too, guys. I'm really am. I'm really am. Like being an adult today, guys, is not like it's really not easy at all, guys. It's really not easy at all. Like I'm struggling too, guys. I'm really struggling. Like I'm really trying to find ways for myself, you know. Like I'm really trying to find ways for myself, guys. Like even I'm trying, you know. Like it's it's crazy. It's crazy, guys. Like but yeah, guys, how y'all day going so far, man? Tell me in the comments how y'all day going so far. And let me know how y'all feel about, you know, prices going up, prices are high, you know, going up and everything like that. How do y'all feel about this, man? Because, you know, it's been happening. You know, it's been happening, you guys. It's been happening. It's been happening, guys. So, you know, but yeah, guys, let me know in the comments how y'all feel about this, you know. But yeah, guys, wages is what like things are increasing. Things are going up, going up. Nothing is going down. Nothing is going down. Throughout the like, you know, guys, like the year and the year is, you know, things are going it's gonna stack, stack, stack throughout the years, guys. Like nothing is going down at all. Ain't nothing gonna get better. Nothing is gonna get better, guys. Nothing. So, you know, so we just gonna have to rock this out, guys. We're really gonna have to rock it out. Just rock it out, man. Like, and I'm praying to God, man. I'm really praying to God for my future and, you know, my life goals and stuff like that. And, you know, I want to start a family. I don't know if I want to start a family, but it's, I do, but I don't know if I want to start, you know, guys. And I'm only like 21. I'm 21, so you know I got more time to figure that out and stuff like that. If I want to start a family or not, like I still got more time, you know, guys. But yeah, guys, it's a struggle out here. It's really a struggle, and we, you know, as us human being guys, like man, this really is, guys. And you see why people become homeless because they don't have homes, they don't have shelters to be in, they don't have food, they don't have nothing. Like you see people out here like that's why you see homeless people walking around because they don't have nowhere to be. Like they have like all they have is like, you know, they just walk around. Like they just, you know, they don't have nowhere to be. They just sleep outside, like, and it makes me sad to see them, you know, out there like that. I, you know, guys, like, it's really sad, you know, like, you never know if they had like, you never know if they have like, you know, bad parents in the past, you know, maybe abused them. You never know. Like, you never know, man. Like, maybe they had a bad, a bad childhood. Back, like, you never know. Like, it's really crazy out here, guys. It really is. Like, I had a good childhood. Like me, I had a good childhood, man. Like, I really did. Like, my mom my mom, she took good care of me. Like, she made sure I had food, clothes, and everything. She always made sure I was good. Even my siblings, like, she always made sure we good and everything like that. Even though she tried and everything like that, but my mom, she's a good mother, and I really appreciate for what she do for me and my siblings. Same thing for my grandma. Rest in peace to that lady, man. Rest in peace to her. Um, yeah, she did the same thing for us. Did the same thing for us, and I'm glad he like. And I don't want to get emotional, guys, on here. I don't, but I appreciate for what she did as well. Oh my gosh, I really do, guys. I really do. And whoever's watching this video, I appreciate y'all. Whoever watches my video, I pretty appreciate y'all. I really do. And guys, but yeah, man. Yeah, rest in peace to her, man. I really miss that lady. It's really miss my grandma. I wish she was still here. You know, just wish she was like here, like really here, like present, like really wish she was like here still. Like, yeah, guys, it's life. It's life. And my family, we have to go. We got to go do it. Like, we got to go do this and stuff like that. You know, and it's heartbreaking to lose a family. You know, it's really hard, y'all. Like, it's really hard. Like, you've been around with that person throughout your life, throughout your childhood. You know, like, it's really sad, heartbroken, guys. It's really is, and I know y'all gonna do the same thing as well. Um, yeah, guys, I know y'all gonna do the same thing as well. But and it's like it's depressing at the same time. It's really depressing. It's really depressing. And it's like it's going through your mind over and over again, like over and over again. Like the memories you had with that person. The memories, man. The memories. Like, like it really is, man. And I'm scared. Like, I'm really like I'm scared. I'm scared to lose my mom. Like, she's like the only person I have. Like, she's the person I have. Like, the only person I have. Like to lose a mom is really heartbroken. Like, it's really gonna take you out of your character. Really gonna take you out of your character. It's going to make you feel lost. Like, it's going to make you feel lost. Like, damn. You see, guys, like, and my mom's like, I'm really protective of my mom, guys. Like, I don't want nothing to happen to her. Like, I want her to enjoy her life, have a have a good life. My mom, she's like, in her 40s. She's like in her 40, like she 40 years old, like she 40 and everything, guys. She's 40. Um, I want her to have a good life, a good healthy life, like. And same thing for me. Same thing for me, guys. Like, people don't get to live People don't even get to live past their 20s. Like, they don't get to live past their 20s, their 30s. Like, even up, guys. Like, they don't get to live past their even 10. And I'm sorry to say, even 10. Even 10. Like, if you don't get to, like, kids don't even get to live past 10. They don't, guys. They don't. Like, it's sad, you know? But yeah, guys, just want to come over and, talk some stuff on here, guys. But yeah, guys, um, keep God in your prayers. Guys, keep God in your prayers. God is very important. God is our savior. God is our warrior. And yeah, guys, just keep God in your prayers, man. And, guys, always, always, always keep him in your prayers because, God is very important to us. Like, I have faith in God. I believe in God. He's my savior. He's my warrior, And it's like, yeah, guys, it's like, yeah, bro, it's really a struggle out here, guys. And I see why people are struggling. Like, people can't buy food, people can't buy food, groceries. They can't, like, buy whatever they like because prices are increasing up, guys. It's like, how we gonna live? It's like, how we gonna live, guys? It's really, how is we gonna live? Like, how is we gonna start a family? How is we gonna, like, like, and I see why it's really crazy out here, guys. It really is. Like, mm. That's why I should like. That's why y'all should always have a side hustle on the side. Have a side hustle. Make extra money for yourself. That one job is not gonna help y'all. Just have like a side hustle y'all like to do. Have a career. Right? Or rather have a career. Have a career. Or like start a business. Start some like side hustles. Like, you could start a YouTube. Start YouTube. Start that. Or no, or to start some other businesses and stuff like that to do. You can start working from Amazon online. You can start doing that, making money off. You can make money off of that too, as well. Make money off of that. Yeah, some other businesses you can start from, like, making money. Like, it's ways to make money online nowadays. Like, it's money to make online nowadays, y'all. Like, it's really that easy. It's really that easy, guys. It's really that easy. Like, and that's why YouTube put me on. YouTube put me on. Like, really, YouTube had put me on, guys. Like, really. That's why I'm motivated. I'm really motivated to do YouTube. Guys, like, I'm really not, like, that's why I'm motivated to do YouTube. And, y'all should do the same. Y'all should really do the same, Don't quit your job just to do YouTube. Stay at your job. Build wealth. Build wealth before you quit. Build your wealth. Like, stay at your job. Build money until you, like, until you save, build your money and everything like that. Maybe that's when you quit. Maybe that's when you quit and everything like that. You can start your own business, do that, start your own career, but don't just leave your job, because if you leave broke and everything like that, what you gonna do then? What you gonna do then? So, always stay at your job, build wealth and everything like that. And then after that, you could start your own businesses and whatever businesses you want to do, choose it, choose it wisely, guys. Choose it wisely. But yeah, guys, yeah, guys, want to come on here, talk some stuff on here, guys. I was spending wisdom, spend wisdom to y'all, guys. But yeah, just want to come on here, talk to y'all, man. Cause I love y'all, man. I love y'all, man. I really do. Like family, guys, like family, friend, you know. But guys, choose wisely, man. Like, really, choose wisely, man. But yeah, guys, and guys, really stay blessed out here, man. Stay blessed, man. And and trust in God, and you got this. Y'all got this, man. Y'all got this, and believe in yourself, man. Always believe in yourself. That's the number one key. Believe in yourself. Always, guys. But yeah, guys, yeah, making a 21 long video, 21-minute long video, I guess. Yeah, guys, always stay true to yourself, guys. Always do. Always. Man, I always love God, man. I need to start going to churches and stuff like that. I need to start going to church, man. I do, because I'm always looking up to God, y'all. I'm always looking up to God, man. Like, I need to start going to churches, man. I do. Because I believe in him, man. I really do, guys. Like, God, he keeps me going. He keeps me going, guys. He really does. He really does, guys. But enough yapping, guys. Enough yapping. But, guys, yeah, guys, stay blessed, man. Stay blessed out there, guys. Everything's gonna be good. Everything's gonna be good. But I know it's a struggle out here, guys. I know it is, but even I am, and I'm trying, I'm trying to do my best. I'm trying to do my best out here, guys. But yeah, guys, always stay true to yourself, man. Always stay true to yourself. But guys, enough of the yapping. But yeah, guys, I love y'all, guys, and yeah, make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all, if y'all watching, make sure y'all subscribe, man. Man, I appreciate y'all, and I love y'all for that. I really do, man. I really do. But yeah, guys, and hit that bell notification as well. Don't forget that as well, guys. But yeah, guys, yeah, guys, yeah, guys, man. Yeah, I'm just chilling right now, guys, chilling right now, guys. But yeah, guys, I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all, guys, and y'all stay blessed out there. Y'all stay blessed out there, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Love y'all.